Welcome to the Money Manifestation and Affirmations. Sit in a quiet place and put on your earphones and listen to this money manifestations and affirmations before you sleep and after you're waking up. Let's begin. I know anyone can be wealthy, including me. I accept and receive unexpected money. I am open and receptive to all the wealth life offers me. I embrace new avenues of income. I welcome an unlimited source of income and wealth in my life. I release all negative energy over money. Every day, I choose money and wealth. All the money I have brings me joy. I am worthy of a wealthy life. I love my abundant and positive life. The more I give, the more I receive. I thank the universe for the money that flows to me. I radiate prosperity, money, and wealth. If others can be wealthy, so can I. Today, no matter where I am, I focus on that is which I want to see. All the resources I need are within me. I am abundant, rich, wealthy, deserving, and worthy. I love my life and everything it provides me with. Abundance is all around me, in everything I do. My finances improve beyond my dreams. Money helps me experience freedom. Money and I can coexist in harmony. Money is my friend. I attract large sums of money into my life. Money is my servant. Thank you.